What's going on, guys? TWJ are back with another trade recap, and this is from last night's New York AM session. I took two trades, and we won both trades. So this is what it looked like coming into the session. We will go on to replay, and we'll go to about here. So on replay, we'll go on the hourly. Hopefully, so just ignore this candle. We were up here. And I was bullish to these highs up here. So I was bullish to this high right here. However, because we're so close, I just thought off open would just go straight up and, chop around, maybe go up to this high like this, or sweep this high and dump. I didn't really expect what happened. So what happened was there was a great short actually on market, pre-market. This is why I didn't take it. So I really liked these lows down here, all this, which is low resistance liquidity. So I marked this out, bang. This is my draw. This is what I'm looking for. Also, we have all this to clear up. So if we go on the 5, we are overextended. Let's pull our fib from the bottom to the top, and we are overextended. This is our 0.5, and then this is our 0.618. Right, so we're overextended. We're nowhere near any of this. So that is that. So I was bearish, but I was also bullish. It was more of a day where I'm just like reacting what price wants to do. So off open, we did have this 1 minute short because there's an SMT at the highs and 1 minute short. So I'm not taking this because it's a 9.29. Like, price can easily just come up and manipulate. So this is just a trade I don't take, but it would have worked. It is what it is, but yeah. So we dump, we start taking these lows, and I'm pretty sure we take these lows. Yeah, we take these lows. I'm like, okay, we're either going to get along here, which we do. But then we also had an SMT at this high, and we left a 30, was it a 30 second? Yeah, a 30-second inversion right here. So we get the 30-second inversion on the next candle, bang, and we enter this trade. We go break even at this low here, and we take profits at a 1-to-1. 1 to 1. Actually, I think it was a little bit more because it just kind of flooded to the downside. The next candle shows what happened. We flooded down, and I was very happy with the profits. And I took my trade. Done. We're done out of the trade. Bang. And then the market, because of what was going on, we're just flooding to the downside. I was like, okay, we could get another trade here. So we keep flooding, right? This would have been break even if I went break even as well. And then we get a retrace here. And this inversion, I know people took this, but this is a bad trade because we've got a 1 minute gap here as well, right? So do not take this 1 minute inversion when we have a gap here. If we inverse this gap to the upside as well, then yes, potentially this is a long setup. We left a 1 minute gap. I was just waiting for this to get inversed. We inversed it, bang. And this is right before news, so it was a little bit sketch. And I was like, okay, if we come down to a 1-to-1, which a 1-to-1 was here, I'm going to take a partial, which I did, and go break even. And it comes straight back to our break even here. Bang, break even. So it is what it is. But that was 2 and 2 for the day. I took that on my alpha accounts. I took that on my top step accounts as well. And I initially wanted London low because if you look on the hourly, we inverse this large gap to the downside. Yes, we do have this one gap here as well. And if we pull our fib, this will be interesting, guys. Watch this. So if we pull our fib from here to here, which is our range, look where we bounced off. So we perfectly bounce off the 0.79 fib extension, and we also got a bounce off the 0.618, right, which is heavily in a discount, right? So this isn't a discount of this range. Anything below 0.5 equilibrium is a discount. So this is a discount. This is a premium, right? Premium discount. So we go straight off the 0.79 extension, And from here, I'm pretty sure we just go up. And then let's pull our fib from this. I'm actually using fibs a lot more. And yeah, so we come up to 0.15, we get a rejection. We probably come back into equilibrium of this range from this low to this low. Oh, just miss it. And then let's see if we get a bounce off the 0.79. We do right here. So we come up, we bounce off, come back down, and then we go. So these are the best fib settings that you can put on. You don't need any other fib settings. I'll get them up here, copy these. This is my fib extension settings. Bang, bang. And that's it for trade recap. So very simple trading. And yeah, just basically continuations down to lows and following the trend. And I'll bring you guys with another trade recap hopefully tomorrow. Cheers.